is, the magnificent 16 litre S-cab high 650 V8. Chrome badges, chrome accents down here, the black gloss grille, the famous V8 badge. This version is the 650. It produces 3,300 Newton meters of torque, so imagine the power. This model has got all the V8 50th anniversary graphics on it, celebrating our history, our heritage, and maybe even an icon. 50 years, 1969 to 2019. NASA put a man on the moon, but the reality is, in Södertälje, Sweden, we made the V8. V8 graphics up the side, followed there. Chrome air horns on the roof. This model, a 62 tag axle, with its proud super singles on the front and the rear. The chrome tailpipe. This is what makes our noise, our passion. This is us. We come along following the V8 graphics for the 50th anniversary, the famous V8 logo. We can try and look on the back of the cab. There's more graphics, Scania V8 1969 to 2019. This model has the catwalk called checker plate. You come down here, we look at the Alcoa wheels with the stainless steel hub with the 50th anniversary V8 logo on it. We come round to the back, colour-coded wheel arches. Finally, we have the LED lights with the V8 mudflat, celebrating our heritage, 1969 to 2019. We come back this way, we look. Our exhaust note. Now, with a single bank exhaust gas manifold, we've got our noise back, which is our heritage. Why don't we fire her up?